Hey, how's it going, guys? For today's tour, we are in Henderson and we are checking out the brand new community of Preston Crest by Lennar Homes. And for today's tour, we're going to be checking out floor plan Skyland. Also, guys, if this is your first time to my channel and you would like to stay up to date with all the new construction here throughout the Las Vegas and Henderson area, tap the subscribe button below. Also, tap that notification bell. That when we do upload these tours, you guys are always the first to learn about them. Now let's get started. All right, guys, so here we have floor plan Skyland, and we are in the community of Preston Crest at Cadence in the city of Henderson. And these homes are built by Lennar Homes. Check it out real quick. They have multiple different communities. Like, for example, they have Enclave right there. They have Terrence, and then this one is Crest. For today's tour, we're just going to be focusing on Skyland, just to keep these tours shorter, and I do apologize. A lot of construction going on this side as well, so I'll do my best I can to not have so much noise. So here we have floor plan Skyland, and this one is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom. It is a 2,270 square feet, 2-car garage, and starting base price for this one, guys, is $480,990. HOA here is $103, and for Crest, they do have only, so these two are going to be part of the community, but they have a total of 3 different floor plans total. Only 2 modeled, so if you want more information on that other floor plan that isn't modeled, reach out to me. My contact info in the description below. Also, what else should I point out about this? Yeah, like I mentioned, we are in Cadence, city of Henderson. And look at all these model homes. They just recently opened up, guys. So let's get started. Also, I know I mentioned that base price, guys. Keep in mind, guys, that does not include any lot premiums or any upgrades you may choose. So here with Lennar, you have 2 options, right? You can either, they're mostly of a spec builder, and to be honest, guys, that's where you're gonna get the best deal if you choose a spec home, meaning they're already building in advance. They pick the upgrades and the lot premiums, and they're just giving you out the door price. That's where it makes it easier to negotiate, or you have the option also to do with from the ground up, and that's when you pick all the good stuff, right? Countertops, flooring, cabinets, etc. So here we're gonna do it a little different, guys. So before we actually go inside, since I don't have access to the backyard from the inside, let me show you the backyard really quick, and then we'll come back around and check out the inside. So here he has a nice, at least for this one, guys, nice big size lot. They have the rock, and keep in mind, guys, you're not gonna get this landscaping, just dirt, when you do purchase a home here in this community, guys. So that's with all new construction. They just landscape it here for, you know, modeling purposes. But check it out, guys. You do have a covered patio here, which is pretty awesome, especially with the sun out here in Vegas, guys. You already know, I don't have to tell you, it gets pretty hot, so it's always good to at least have some covered. Come out here, relax, little barbecue, whatever you want. But here's the backyard, guys. What do you guys think? Good. I'm definitely a pool-sized backyard. I'm not too sure if all homes are going to be this lot size, so, but they vary. But if you want to know the lot size of these future homes, reach out to me, and you know, I could reach out and ask and get that information back to you. So now let's go back around and go back inside the front door and check out this beautiful home. A little walk over here, has nice rocks. Let me close this gate. Also, guys, as we walk in there, if you have any questions about anything, guys, even if you're 7, 90 days, 6 months out and are planning to make a move, or maybe you live here locally, reach out if you have any questions or looking to find here. Definitely love to answer any questions or be your choice of agent here throughout this process. So here in this front entrance, you have this nice little covered porch area. Also perfect to put a little bench seat, come out here, relax as well. Now let's go inside. Here is the floor plan, guys. Skyland, there's that info. All right. As soon as you walk in, check out this foyer, guys. Look at this, guys. Really nice high ceilings right here. At least 15 feet, I would say. So here to the left, up the stairs to go to the second floor. Let's go here straight ahead. Here off to the left, you do have a coat closet and also a nice storage closet right here. Good size. Then, so right here, you do have your dining room area. So it is a little bit separated from the kitchen. Then also, guys, this one does have a bedroom downstairs. Before, let me show you here downstairs, and I'll show you that bedroom. Here's your dining room area right here. Also 9-foot ceilings. Living room. Then you have your kitchen. Also, before I get any farther, like I mentioned, guys, Lennar is a spec builder for the most part, guys, but like you do have the option to build from the ground up. So if you were to pick your own options, guys, there's not much you can actually change here with this builder. One thing you could change is going to be the floorings, going to be your countertops, the cabinets. You could choose different colors. You could choose to have the hardware, soft close, etc., and the backsplash. Everything else you see here throughout this home tour today that I did not mention is going to be standard with your home purchase. So just a heads up. So here is your pantry. Obviously no door. And you know, they build these model homes, they put them with no doors just so you can see all the good stuff. But here's your kitchen, guys. And what do you guys think? You got the quartz countertop, island, seats about 3 people. And right over here, you got the stainless steel undermount sink. You do also have a osmosis system that comes included with your home purchase. And just a heads up, guys, they will do a complimentary basic filtration system, right? So if you want to upgrade, you will have the option, but you have to go through that third-party company that takes care of this stuff. So just a heads up, you don't have to go through them, but that's something you could choose to upgrade that system. You can. Also, you have your dishwasher. Check this out. This one has a nice backsplash here. Pretty nice, and like I said, that is an upgrade, the backsplash. Then refrigerator. So here, what will be included is going to be refrigerator, obviously the microwave and stove. Washer and dryer is usually not included, guys, but if you have an awesome agent on your side, that's something that we can negotiate for you guys. So it's always important to have your own outside representation away from the builder. So those things that, you know, your agent hopefully can negotiate that for you. But like I said, you know, I'm a new build expert. I know what stuff we can negotiate, what we can. Like I said, definitely would love to be your agent if you do decide to purchase a new build or even a resale home, guys. Here to help you guys out. Check it out, guys. Let me show you the backyard from here. I know I just went out there and showed you, but they do have the slider locked, so I can't go out there, but I did show you in the beginning of this tour. So now let's go over here and check out that downstairs bedroom. So that door right there is to 2-car garage, locked, cannot see it. And then here's your downstairs bedroom. So this is perfect for, I mean, if you have kids or whoever may want their own privacy, be away from all the bedrooms, this is perfect. Or this is perfect. I do get a lot of clients that have elderly parents that possibly come visit or even stay with them. And it's perfect because that way they don't have to go up and down the stairs. And what's also good about this bedroom, guys, you are going to have a full bathroom here downstairs. Let me show you. So single vanity, toilet. You do have that stand-up shower. Pretty cool. Currently being used as a public bathroom, so I do apologize if you see any mess in here, but just want to show you really quick that you do have a full bath here downstairs. Now let's go upstairs and show you the other 3 bedrooms, because I did see one here downstairs. Also, as I walk upstairs, I wanted to share something with you guys. So if you're considering buying a new build home, it's really critical to, if you want an outside realtor like myself, or maybe you already have your trusted realtor, that we come along with you on that first initial visit to the builder, guys. Because if we're not there, the builder will not allow us to assist you later on. So, and why having your realtor so important? Well, we're here to look out for your best interest, guys, at the end of the day. Provide honest advice and helping you secure the best possible deal, guys. While the builder agents are really awesome and helpful, guys, they ultimately do represent the builder, guys. So I generally want to ensure that you have the best experience and get the most value out of your new home purchase. So if you have any questions, guys, I'll have my contact info in the description below. Don't hesitate to reach out. So here to the left, primary laundry room. Off to the right, we have the other bedroom. So let's check these out first. So here's the second bedroom. Then these are gonna have the Jack and Jill bathroom. So essentially what it is, you have access to both bathrooms, both bedrooms to the bathroom. Check it out. Good size. This one definitely good size. With that 9-foot ceilings also upstairs. Before we check out the bathroom, guys, let me show you here the other bedroom. That way you guys don't get confused. So, I would say this one's a little smaller, but still good size. And you have your closet right here. So now let's go back really quick to here. Now that I showed you both bedrooms, I'll show you the bathroom. So you do have dual vanity. So that's that bedroom we just seen. So you have access from here and also from this bedroom. You have dual vanity. Also, what I do like is, if you're taking a shower, you will have a door. You can shut it, or if you're using the toilet, shut it. And whoever is staying in the other bedroom will still have access to at least come in here, get ready, brush your teeth, wash hands, do whatever they got to do. So, and then here you have your prefabricated combo tub stand-up shower. We can give you guys a view from here. And you do have tile flooring, so you're gonna have tile flooring here throughout the wet areas. Coming out to the bathroom, but we just preview this bedroom. Before we look at the primary, let's look at your laundry room. So like I mentioned, washer and dryer, as you notice, guys, they're optional. So you have the option either to purchase them or not to, or like I mentioned, guys, if you have your agent, make sure they negotiate that for you guys. Sometimes it doesn't hurt trying, and honestly, sometimes a lot of agents won't even try. But sometimes they do go for it, sometimes they don't. It's just hit and miss, guys. So no promises, but at least you could try and negotiate, right? Now right over here, you have your primary bedroom. To check this out, guys. Look at the size of this thing. I think it's huge. In my opinion, this is big for me. Because look, king size bed. These nightstands are at least 3 feet wide. And look how much space you still have. And look at this, guys. This is the backyard view for your primary. Let me stand in this corner, guys, to show you. Really big, in my opinion. And then you do have dual primary closets. So you'll have one closet here. And I'll show you the other one that's actually in your primary bathroom. But here's one. Then when we get to it, I'll show you that closet. But here off to the right, toilet, dual vanity. Then you got the combo bath stand-up shower. Pretty cool. Look at this. Quartz countertop. Here's the other closet. Look at this. This one's definitely bigger than the other one. So let me know which one would be yours and which one would be your partner's, or maybe it's just you by yourself and both of them will be yours. What do you guys think? Well, let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think of this floor plan. Is it a fit? It does not fit. Let me know what you like, what you don't. Anything, guys, drop in the comments below. And also, if you guys would like to come schedule a private tour here of this home or any other community or even resell homes, if you're looking to sell, guys, definitely would love to earn your business and be your agent. So I'll have my contact info in the description below. Don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help any way I can. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, guys, do me a huge favor, guys. Like the video, subscribe to my channel. And if you want to receive notifications of any future property tours, then tap that bell for notifications. That way, when we do upload these tours, you guys are always the first to learn about it. Until next time, guys.